If we told you that you could frame your entire house for under $250?
There is one small catch. Said house needs to be a short school bus.
I don't know about you, Grace, but I had a super fun time doing this project with you.
Yeah. I had so...
Holy cow, she had so much fun she can't even put words together.
I just wasn't expecting that. I had a blast doing it with you as well.
We finished this project so quickly that I got a bad expectation that we were going to have our bus finished in a month.
I literally said to Matt, I said, because the frame went so fast, I said, do not get into your mind that these projects are all going to go this fast. Like, things are going to take a while. It's okay. We have time. Guess what happened?
The only problem is you spend so much time doing everything else. We finally got to our framing and you could see the whole bus come together that I'm like, this thing's going to be done in no time. But it is super cool to see all the framing put together. It's much better than the last time we did it. And I'm super excited to see how we build it out.
Yeah, it's so great. We can't wait to start building up. Next up, we're going to put insulation and make sure there's no leaking. Now it's time to build our structures.